Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Chemistry Objective Past Question 36. Which of the following statements about the solubility of a salt is correct? A. A salt whose solubility increases with temperature will not crystallize easily on cooling. B. A salt whose solubility is independent of temperature would normally crystallize out on cooling. C. Crystallization would be efficient in separating out a salt whose solubility increases considerably with temperature. D. Solubility of a solid does not affect its crystallization. So we are looking at solubility of a salt as it relates to crystallization, as it relates to the separation technique called crystallization. And in crystallization, what actually happens is that the solution containing the salt is heated to evaporate part of the solvent. So the solution becomes concentrated, so that is to concentrate the solution, and then on cooling the concentrated solution, crystals of the salt is formed. So it is used to separate salts using this technique. Now, crystallization is known for separating salts that readily decompose on heating. Now, but as it relates to temperature, let's look at each of the options. Now, option A salt whose solubility increases with temperature will not or would not crystallize easily on cooling. Now, this statement is actually incorrect, because a salt, the efficiency in crystallization, in this technique of crystallization, the efficiency in this technique of crystallization is higher when the salt solubility increases with temperature. When the salt solubility increases with temperature. So when the salt solubility increases with temperature, the efficiency of the crystallization is higher. So option A is incorrect. Now, option B, which is a salt whose solubility is independent of temperature, would normally crystallize out on cooling. Now, this statement is also incorrect, because if a salt solubility is independent of temperature, then it cannot even be separated using crystallization. So this statement is incorrect. Now, option C, crystallization would be efficient in separating out a salt whose solubility increases considerably with temperature, is correct. Now, as we have rightly said, efficiency of crystallization is based on the change in salt solubility with increase in temperature. So if a salt solubility increases readily or considerably with temperature, it will be much more efficiently crystallized. So that is what is represented here by option C, and that is why it is correct. So let's look at option D. Solubility of a solid does not affect its crystallization. Now, this option is also wrong, as the whole crystallization separation technique is based on solubility. So as we have rightly established, option C, crystallization would be efficient in separating out a salt whose solubility increases considerably with temperature, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.